Hello. Hi. Good evening. I hope I'm audible. Okay. I'm your maths educator Rahul Mohnani. You can follow me on Unacademy at RM sir. Okay. You can use my code. If you are willing to take a ISC plus subscription, you can use this code for class 11th and for class 12th as well. Okay. Today we are going to start a new topic called as circles. In this we are going to discuss different forms of equation of circles. We'll start with the equation of circle and in that different formats, in what forms or whatever the different type of information is given, in that way we are going to find the equation of circles. So let's start with the first format, or in what way we have to find the equation of circle. Let's discuss that. See, the first form is called as standard form to find the equation of circle. Circle is what? It is the locus of the points. Circle is locus of points, which move in a plane at a fixed distance from a given fixed point. Okay, for example, this is a fixed point and it moves at a fixed distance. This is a variable point. There might be other point also which is at the same distance. There might be other point also at the same distance. Variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, like that. Same distance with variable, same distance, variable 4. If you join all these points now, you will get a circle. You join all these points, you will get a circle. The circle is nothing but it is the locus of all the points. It is the locus of the points which move at a fixed distance from the fixed point. Okay, so we'll use this condition to prove or to find the equation of circle in the standard form. So when I talk about the standard form, in this we assume center of a circle as origin. And radius as r. So let's discuss about that. Let's say this is a circle. I'll again draw it. Wait. Let's say this is a circle. The center of this circle is origin. And radius of circle is r. Now let's assume a variable point as p x comma y. Let's assume a circle variable point is x comma y. Now if you find the distance of p, let's say pc, distance pc is what? R. So by applying a distance formula, x square plus y square is equal to r square, x square plus y square is equal to r. We say this is the distance formula between a variable point and the center, and that is equal to radius. So we get x square plus y square, squaring both sides, is equal to r square. This is the equation of circle in the standard form. Okay, so always remember, standard form is what? center of a circle is origin and the radius of circle is r, and then if you try to find the distance, like try to find the equation of circle by distance formula, then we get x square plus y square equal to r square. Now let's take a basic example to understand that form clearly. Like there is the equation, find the equation of circle. With center as origin and radius is equal to 4. So we can directly write this as like x square plus y square is equal to radius square, that is 16. Okay. Or clearly the second example, if I'm taking, like let's say this is a circle given to us, x square plus y square equal to 25. We can clearly say the center of the circle is origin and radius of circle is 5. Just by looking at this particular term, this is r square. One more last example. If it is x square plus y square is equal to, let's say, 8, and the center of circle is origin, center is origin and radius is 2 root 2. Okay, radius is 2 root 2. Fine. This is the basic example that we have taken on the standard form. Okay. Now let's discuss the next form, which is called as center radius form. This is the important form, and it sounds like center and radius will be given. Okay, and then you have to find the equation. So for example, this is a circle with center is h comma k and radius is r. So again the same concept that will apply. Let's assume a variable point as x comma y. So if you apply a center distance formula, distance center EC is equal to radius r. So by distance formula we can say that x minus h the square, y minus k the square is equal to radius r. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. This is what the center radius form is. Okay, in this center will be given and radius will be given. So note this point. We'll take some basic examples on this. Okay. Now find the equation of circle with center as 5, 6 and radius as let's say 2. So the equation is x minus 5 the whole square, x minus the x coordinate of center plus y minus the y coordinate of center is equal to radius square, which is 4. This is the center radius form or the equation of circle with center 5, 6 and radius 2. This is the equation of circle with center 5, 6 and radius 2. Vice versa, let me give an example where the equation is given like this: x minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 7. In this they have asked what is the center and what is the radius. So look at this properly now. It is x minus 3 the whole square. We can write this as y minus 2 the whole square and this will be written as root 7 the whole square. Now if you observe this pattern, r is root 7 like this here, x minus h, y minus k. So this part is a x coordinate of a center, this part is a y coordinate, so minus 2, and radius is this root 7. So center is 3 comma minus 2, center is 3 comma minus 2, radius is root 7, radius is root 7. Okay, many students watch this plus 2 over here and they answer it plus 2, but actually it is minus 2. Okay, so you have to make sure that minus sign is over here and then compare the center and radius. Okay, so y plus 2 is written as y minus minus 2 and the center y coordinate is minus 2. Okay, so this was the second form, center radius form. Third is called as diameter form. Third is diameter form of a circle. Now in this, as the name suggests, the end points of diameter will be given to us to find the equation of circle. End points of diameter will be given to us to find the equation of circle. So I'll just write the diameter form. Just a minute. Let me draw this again. Okay. Now the end points of diameter will be given to us. Like let's say this is a diameter passing through this. So A is x1, y1, and let's say B is x2, y2. Okay. So in the diameter, if you know that if any point P is assumed, diameter subtends 90 degree at that point. Let's assume P as x comma y. So in this, to prove this form, we'll write slope of PA into slope of PB. This will be equal to minus 1. Slope of PA equal to into slope of PB will be minus 1. Now what is slope of PA? It is x minus x1 upon y minus y1 into slope of PB will be x minus x2. I have written this wrong. Slope of PA is y minus y1. By mistake I have written x in the numerator. Y is in the numerator. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1 into y minus y2 upon x minus x2. This is equal to minus 1. Now if you multiply this part over here in the right hand side, you will get something like this: x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is what the diameter form is. So if possible, remember this part where x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 are the endpoints of diameter. x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the endpoints of diameter. Okay, let's take an example based on it. So till now we have understood the three formats: standard form, center radius form, and the diameter form. So example, find the equation of circle with endpoints of diameter as ends of diameter as point A will be given as 3, 5 and point will be given as minus 3, 7. So these are the endpoints of diameter 3, 5 and minus 3, 7. So we want to find the equation of circle with the diameter के endpoints as A and B. So it is x minus x1. x1 is 3 into x minus x2. x2 is minus 3. plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is y1 and this is y2. So now you simplify this. It is x minus 3. This is x plus 3. This is y minus 5. This is y minus 7. So let's multiply this. It is x square minus 9 plus y square minus 12y plus 35 equal to 0. Final equation is x square plus y square. This will be minus 12y 12y and 35 minus 9 26. This. Okay. These are the endpoints of diameter. And this is the equation of circle. I hope this is clear. A simple format is given. Using that format, we can find the equation of circle. Next. Now there are different type of patterns that circle is having. Like, okay, the last format also will cover. It is called as parametric form. Okay. Also called as parametric point on a circle. Okay. So x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. If this is given, then we can clearly see x square plus y square is equal to r square. We can clearly see that. So we can say that this is a parametric point. This is a parametric point, or any point on a circle. On which circle? On this circle. X square plus y square equal to r square. Similarly, if there is a circle x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square, then the parametric point for this will be h plus r cos theta. This is the x coordinate, and y coordinate will be k plus r sin theta. Y coordinate will be k plus r sin theta. This is a parametric point on the general circle. So this was the fourth format or fourth node point we have done today. The first one is center radius form, standard form. Second, center radius form. Third, diameter form. Fourth, parametric form or parametric point. Okay, these are the key points. Now one more point, the last one, general circle. General circle. Okay, now this is also important part of circle. After that, we'll be taking some examples based on this general circles and all. So there is a general equation of conic ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This is a general 2-degree equation. This is a general 2-degree equation for a conic, of a conic. It actually represents a parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, pair of straight line, and so on. But right now we are talking about a circle. So the condition that it represents a circle is that delta should not be 0 and a should be equal to b and h should be 0. Along with that, g square plus f square minus c should be more than 0 for real circle. Okay, these are some points. Initially it will be like a little difficult to remember, but later on you will try to understand. This is a big part of a conic, big particular concept of a conic. Okay, so in this you have to remember all the key points. Delta is what? Delta is a b c h g f h g. This is delta. It should not be equal to 0. Okay, so the most important part, delta should not be 0. A should be equal to B and H should be equal to 0. This part we'll discuss later. G square plus F square should be more than equal to 0 for real circle. Okay, let's take an example. As we can see, this is the equation of circle, right? So I'll just try to explain over here. General equation of circle. It is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is general equation of circle. As you can see, a and b have taken as 1. H is not there. This term hxy, this term should not be there. In circle, we don't observe this term of xy. H is 0. And this a and b, the quotient of x square and quotient of y square should be same. In circle, coefficient of x square, always remember this part, and coefficient of y square, both should be equal. Okay, this is the general circle. Now instead of remembering all this part, try to remember at least this one. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the equation of circle. Okay, now what are the key points to remember in this? The center of this circle will be minus g comma minus f, minus g comma minus f, and the radius of the circle will be root of g square plus f square minus c. To remember this center, you can also remember like this. Whatever the coefficient of x is there, divide that with minus 2. Whatever the coefficient of y is there, divide that with minus 2. So quotient of x is 2g, quotient of y is 2f. So 2g upon 2, 2g upon minus 2 and 2f upon minus 2. Better, let's take an example now. Just a minute. Okay. Find the center and radius of a given circle. And also convert into center radius form, and also convert in center radius form, and find parametric point. So we are going to cover 3 particular parts in this. We have been given a circle. You have to find the center and radius. Let's say circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. 4x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. So center is what? Center is whatever the quotient of x upon minus 2. What is the quotient of y upon minus 2? Okay. Center is what? Whatever the quotient of x. Look at this properly. The quotient of x here is 4. At 4 upon minus 2. Whatever the quotient of y, which is minus 6 upon minus 2. As we have learned over here, quotient of x upon minus 2, quotient of y upon minus 2. Okay, this is what the center is. So this comes minus 2 comma 3. Now the radius is root of, you square this part, which is 4, square of minus 2 plus square of 3, which is 9, minus the constant term, which is 9. So this comes equals to root 4, which is 2. Again, square of this center x coordinate, which is 4, square of this y coordinate, which is 9, and minus the constant term, which is 9. So g square plus f square minus c root of g square plus f square minus c. G square means what? Square of this term. F square means what? F square is square of the y coordinate, and minus c, that is 2. Okay, now we have to write this in the center radius form. Now how to write this in a center radius form? See. X minus the x coordinate of center, x minus the x coordinate of center whole square, plus y minus y coordinate of center the whole square, is equal to radius square. What is center radius form? X minus the x coordinate of center, x minus h. This is center radius form. See, x minus the x coordinate of center and y minus the y coordinate of center, both square and equal to radius square. So this is the equation in center radius form. So x plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 4. This is the center radius form. So this circle, which is written in the white format over here, in the white font, this is same as this center radius form. X plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square equal to 4. So when you expand this part, you'll observe the entire expression that we have written, entire equation that we have written in the first box. Okay, so x plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square equal to 4 is the same circle in center radius form. Okay, now the last part was find the parametric point. So parametric point normally is what? X is equal to h plus r cos theta. H is the center x coordinate and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. H and k are the centers. H and k are the centers. Here the center is minus 2 comma 3 and the radius is 2. Let's write that. X is equal to h is minus 2 plus r is what? R is 3 cos theta. Again y is 3, k is 3 plus, sorry, this is 2. Sorry. Radius is 2. So minus 2 plus 2 cos theta comma 3 plus 2 sin theta. This is a parametric point or parametric form of circle. Okay, I think we have practiced enough. In the next lecture of a circle, we'll understand more different formats. And some questions also will be discussed. Till that, if you are willing to take a ISC plus subscription for class 11, then you can use my code RMSIR to enroll for the plus. ISC plus for class 11th or for class 12. Okay, right now the current offer is going on. Okay, you can get up to 40% off. You can get up to 40% off if you use this code. Normally we have a 10% offer, but right now the prices are lower range. Okay, extension offers also there, including an extension offer. You can get up to 40% off. Okay, I hope this is it, and we are going to end this class now. Bye.